Hello everyone and welcome to PGNX. I am an admin of Pakistan German Access community. In today's video, I'll show you how to make an Expatrio account and applying for the Expatrio value package. Before we begin, I would recommend using the official PGNX Expatrio link, which you can find in the description as well. If you register through this link, you may get a discount. So I highly recommend using this link when creating your account. Now let's get started. With this link, if you scroll down, you can see get your value package, and if we focus on description, we can see it is accepted by all German authority, instant block account amount confirmation, free coverage, provide award winning affordable up to 90 euro cashback, free digital bank account, free international student ID card, in-app accommodation, and if you apply before 7 July, you can save 78 euro. After reading all this, we will just continue with this and click on get value package, and in the next page you can see let's find the right setup for your stay in Germany. Just click on the let's go, and here they are asking about what will you be doing in Germany. You can choose your option that best match with your purpose, whether you are coming for bachelor, master, PhD, language course or exchange program. I will continue with master, and the next you can just add your age, and next continue. Here you can see, are you coming to Germany with dependents? If you are coming with your spouse or children, you can click on yes, otherwise click on no. I will continue with no and then click on continue. The next you can see block amount calculation. The block amount is 992 euro per month for 12 months. This page also show the account buffer, service fee, setup fee. Based on the current calculation, total amount to be transferred is 12,153 euro. After reading all this, just click on continue, and the next step is choosing your health insurance. You can see two options, Autonova and public health insurance provider, technical car and gas. Generally, student under the age of 30 choose TK, while student over 30 may choose private health insurance. I will go with TK. And here you can see summary of your value package: a German block account, health insurance, travel insurance, German bank account and debit digital card. Review the details and tick both check boxes and click accept and apply now. Now let's go further and apply for Expatrio products. Click on continue, and you can see what's your citizenship. Just choose your country. I will choose here Pakistan, then click on continue, and next they are asking about what's your legal name. Write your legal name according to your passport. Just click on your title, write your first name and last name, then click on continue, and next you can see your date of birth. Choose your date of birth, your country of birth and your place of birth. After adding all these information, just click on continue. Next you can see what's your phone number. If you are currently in Germany, you can choose your German number, but if you are in Pakistan, you can choose your Pakistani number. I will choose here my Pakistani number. After writing my number, just click on continue. Next you can see current address. Choose your country, write your street name, number, postal code, city, and carefully put all this information. After that, just click on continue. In the next step, you can see they are asking about your study details. Choose your intended university where you got your admission. Here are all the universities. I will choose my university, University of Kassel. And next you can choose university location or city. You can choose according to provided information, and next what your field of study. Here all the fields. I will choose food technology, and in the next step they are asking about what's your semester starting date. Write your semester starting date after seeing from your admission letter, and the next when will you be arrive in Germany, and that can be your semester starting date, or you can go some days before your semester start date. After all these, click on continue. Next you can see which country are you relocating. I will choose here Pakistan, and then click on continue. In the next section was show financial details. Where did you get money for the block account? Here are different options: retirement assets, inheritance, rent, work salary, private means, self-employment. You can choose your option. I will choose here private means. And where did your money come from in general? The options are the same. You can choose anyone. I will choose here work salary. Next they're asking about are you a US person or not. If you are a US person, just click on yes. I'm not a US person, so I will choose no. After that, in which country are you text resident? I will choose here Pakistan. Next, they are asking about text identification number. If you have, then just write here. That will be your ID card number. Otherwise, just click on I don't have and then click on continue. In the next step, they asking about upload a photo of your passport. So just click your front page of your passport. Just click the photo according to the guidelines, and here are the upload option. For this moment, I will click on skip and upload later. Next, you can summary of your information. This is your email address, personal information, your educational detail, your study information, and your passport data. Just carefully review and click on continue. Next, you have to confirm some guidelines they have provided that are general according to your health insurance and block account travel insurance. Just agree to all. After agreeing all the information, just click on submit application, and then Expatrio will review your application and will provide with the necessary documents in 3 to 5 days. Then check your email box and choose your new password. Choose password according to their guidelines. Go to login option, and here just put your email address and your password, then click on the continue. And next, the final page of your portal. As my documents and my application have been reviewed, so I will just show you the final page. Here you can download your health insurance, your travel insurance, and finish your fund transfer. And I will click on go to my payment to finish my fund transfer. Here you can see the expected amount and the maximum amount I can transfer in my account. And next, in the below, to start my payment, I will click on initiate payment. And on the initiate payment, after clicking, they are asking about how much money do you want to transfer. I will write here the exact amount, 12,153 euro, and then click on continue. Next, they are asking about from which account you are transferring your money. If you are transferring your money from your own account, you will choose just you, and if you are transferring money from your parent or someone else account, you can choose someone else. I will choose you, and then click on continue. Next, you can see the summary of your information, your name, your bank account details, and this is a flywire option. This is the quickest method to transfer money, but it is quite expensive, like it charge you more, 80 to 90k, your 90k. So next step, I will just agree with their terms, and but for this moment I will go to switch to manual bank transfer. If you just click on switch to manual bank transfer, you can generate document 5, account confirmation. With this document, you can go to bank, and these have all the details, your personal, your educational, your bank account details. Just show them this document, and go some other documents like your CNAC, your passport, your breakdown sheet, admission letter, and your checkbook. And then bank will transfer your money, and after 4 to 5 days it will reach in your block account, and then you can generate your document 6. That will be your final document you can show to the embassy and will upload in the consular service portal. And this is all. Before you go, don't forget to follow us on WhatsApp and Facebook for latest update and guidance. You can find the links in description as well. Thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel for new videos.